Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in the tutorial I want to make you learn how to remove background from the hair, and for the beginner it is too difficult to remove background from hair, and today you will learn and feel that it is too easy to remove background from hair. And so let's start. Friend, here you can see there is too many hair, and there are one or two hair. I don't know how to cut it. So there is a solution. At first, I want to cut the extra things in the photo without hair, the extra things with my pen tool. So I select the pen tool and start copying. So friends, I select all the extra things without hair, and I remove I remove this, and you may see the background behind. And now I have to take a new layer. Before that, I want to select the background remover tool. Here, no, not here. Background remover tool, and set the setup box. You can see the setup box. The tolerance is 50 and around the 50, and brush size is your choice. And then take a new background layer and click here and check, and then drag it and select the background layer, and then solid color. And you have to take a deep color to do it properly. So I take a deep color. That's perfect. Yes, that's perfect. And I take it, and then you have to click set the brush size, and you have to click the white. You have to take your mouse in the white space, and then right click to your mouth, and right click to your mouth and hold. Right click your mouth and then hold, and left click. Left click then drag. Left click then drag. You may see that the background is automatically removed and the hair is not removing. The white things are only removing. So this is the technique to remove the backgrounds. You may see the smallest hair are removing, and it's too easy. I'm telling the technique again. Right click to your mouse and hold, and then left click and then drag. This is the technique to remove hair background by background remover tool. And here you can change any color you want. You want on what? I am using the light color. Here you may see the light color, and my hair and the sharp hair you can see here can be seen. So it is a very useful technique. And but there you can see some white things, and this will appear when you take a light color. Then you can see some white things around the hairs, and looks dissimilar. So I want to fix it. I save the burn tool. Sorry, I select the burn tool and set the tolerance of the burn tool. Then you click and you may see that the white things are gone. So let's see. Here you can see the white things are going, and that's make my photo perfect. So friends, this is it, and thank you for watching my tutorial. And if you like my video, so don't forget to subscribe for the next update. Thank you so much.